Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically view an artist's tour date on Spotify. I just knew you could do that. So select the artist's name here. They have to be on tour for this to show up. Scroll down and it's going to say on tour. See all, and it even shows tours in your region. Taylor Swift isn't, well, there's no concert listings here yet, so that's why it isn't here. But it's also going to show you other locations, the date, the time, the opening acts, and even where it's going to be at, the venue. So it's from March 18th up to August 10th. In the US, you can see over here. I don't think the time is correct. I think this one's meant to be PM or something though, because time difference. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!